Many men wanted her, but look, I got her. Don't worry, that was just Cupid that shot ya. Fall back, my nigga, you lost your spot, bruh. And shots.
YouTube! Oh my God, we got another good eats today. Oh, wait, who blessed us today? Brianna?
Yeah, she sent me this. She said they're really good. She tried them.
But before we get into this video, hey, y'all know what to do. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Do the whole 9 if you don't.
Bye.
And we finna get into this video, man. It's called, what's the place called? K&J?
Sweets and Treats or something. Let me make sure.
That's what it is on me. Sweets and Treats.
KJ Treats with the Z and more.
And more. Fire. Look, hold on.
Food truck.
It usually come with ice cream on it, but I knew the ice cream was gonna melt. But I got that Oreo funnel cake. You dig what I'm saying? Show that masterpiece in your hand. Right there.
I had a funnel cake too with strawberries.
I show that masterpiece right there.
I'm ready for
oh
this.
My God.
Look just how it looks on the video.
Lord.
Fish and chicken.
What's the sauce though? You didn't even say the sauce.
Hot honey.
Oh my Lord. And she got a strawberry. Basic strawberry funnel cake. That's real basic.
It usually come with ice cream, but I didn't want it to sit and melt while we're, you know what I'm saying, doing the video.
So we didn't do that.
And I got me a good old lemonade.
Good old lemonade. We got a good old lemonade.
It's like that country time.
Oh yeah.
Nice and sweet.
Facts. Let's dig in.
Alright.
Oh Lord, that look good. That's good. That's great. Let's take it for a food. Amen.
Amen. Mouth watering.
Facts.
Try to fry. Seasoned.
Nice and.
Slick's gonna try this one.
Little crisp.
Sauce. Let's dig into this catfish.
Please.
Nice and
That's all I'm waiting on. I ain't gonna lie.
Woo, nice
over
and
there
hot.
right here.
Sheesh. Get that piece right here. Please don't make a mess. Ready?
Let me show y'all that crisp on that catfish, man. That's crazy. Ready? Tink. That's a good catfish right there. Crispy, flavor busting. This is awesome.
Wow. Hot.
They know what they're doing.
You really want to talk?
They know what they're doing. We've really been going crazy with the video. Make sure y'all follow us on Instagram.
Right.
Chill Out Lee. Malia. This is fire.
Malia? Malia B.
Malia B.
The waitress. Get together.
K&J, I see you, baby. No cap. I see you. I see you.
Yep.
It's going federal. Let's get some more fries going.
Tap into this wing right here. Beautiful size. It didn't skimp us.
Show that. Strip them. Nah, that look crazy.
Very
Ooh.
big.
Okay. Our
All
next
that
video.
juice at the bottom.
Our next video, y'all. We got a surprise for y'all. Can't wait to drop it, man.
Nervous but excited.
Just know we got. Should we tell? Just know we got. Should we tell?
Yeah.
You shouldn't tell. It's a big video.
Big for us, at least.
Blaze here. All
Big for us coming up. You know what I'm saying?
Feel me? Starting off.
Our first big thing.
Happy, man. Came a long way. Monumental. You know what I'm saying? But I guess you waiting on me to try this wing, huh?
Yes, I am.
My bad.
Been waiting.
Tink.
Ow, bit my cheek. As I expected. Delicious.
Delicious.
Cause I've tried what? Don't Chicken King have this flavor? Not even touching it. No, that's hot garlic.
Yeah.
I think I've had these somewhere else. These are way better.
We're seasoned to the bone too. I ain't gonna lie.
I usually don't like wet wings, but this is amazing.
And it's crispy. Still.
Usually they're not crispy, but these are.
Yeah, it's fire. I ain't gonna even lie. Hey.
It's been a while.
Man, it's been hot.
So good today, it's all gloomy.
This Arkansas weather been
Deadly.
man. I ain't gonna. What else y'all want to see us do?
Any reviews?
See us eat?
Any challenges?
Let us know.
Y'all like to beat him, so any challenges?
You like the what? We gotta do another Walmart challenge too. Well, a Walmart challenge.
A Walmart challenge.
Our
You know why you gotta bring it up every time?
Mm-hmm.
You know exactly what you did with that.
You play here on the first one, so let's go ahead and get that done. This is phenomenal. Just a fry hard. You know, I like my chicken fried hard. And my catfish. Cause I'm Southern, you know. And this is good. Good.
God damn, man.
Good.
Oh, wow.
Try complaining about how loud I be.
Screaming in my ear.
Cause he be screaming too.
No, I don't. Oh, that salt at the bottom.
No.
I'm fucking wondering why you gonna touch it.
You know you gotta dip that bread in that sauce now. Come on now. Should the white tea good? Yup. Yup.
Take it.
Take the whole thing.
No, I know you finna eat it all, that's why I took some.
Mm-hmm. Into that fish.
I'm literally finna eat all this food on camera.
You know what I'm saying? Some of it might come out. So we ain't ate all day.
Wow.
And I worked out. So you know I'm hungry.
I was in the bed.
How you take that fish from me?
I didn't know what you was trying to do. See all that food on this plate? Woo! Mm-hmm. 10 out of 10.
Must try again. I got another place over here on JFK. If all my Little Rockians, North Little Rockians know. It's a burrito place.
You gonna try that?
We're gonna tap in on that for sure. They got burrito noodles. We locking in. Come on now.
Eat the ball of this food, we ain't tried our funnel cake.
Right. Give this win. We'll get into that.
And they got that barbecue spot. Look mighty tasty. Might try that too.
We're gonna do a food truck series. See who else got the best food out here.
Yup.
I just gonna get cut. I ain't gonna lie.
Well, for sure.
Let it go. Funnel cake time.
You are loud today.
Can't be
You
excited.
should have had this first. It's still warm though. Taking too long.
I ain't tripping. That's just weak ass shit.
Ice cream would have set it off.
Right.
Perfection.
It's a funnel cake.
I love funnel cake.
I'm kinda of a fan of funnel cake. It ain't really all that to me.
I don't know why you got one here.
But it's good though.
I don't know why you didn't get the deep fried Oreos.
I am a deep fried Oreo fan. But like you can't really mess up a funnel cake though.
Yeah.
To be honest.
Unless you overcook it.
Yeah.
Burn it up. But who does that and sells it?
Alright.
Yes. Trying to get busy now. My God, my God. That's a little dessert to top it off.
Make sure y'all grab some food with us, man. Eat with us. I'm just looking at us. Eat
I know
with
you
us.
hungry over there.
You feel me?
Watching us eat this food.
Like, man. This is beautiful, though.
And you can't miss the food trucks. Right down JFK.
Facts. But we appreciate y'all for topping in, man.
Thank you.
We love y'all.
The ones that continuously watch us, thank you.
Thank you so much.
We know who you are.
And we love y'all.
And the ones who don't, we know you too.
What's the name of the place we ate again?
I don't want to mess it up.
K&J.
Don't edit that anyways. You said it wrong. Well, it is K&J Treats, yeah. K&J Treats plus more.
We appreciate y'all.
But it's KJ Treats with a Z and more on Instagram.
Food was fire. We appreciate y'all. Make sure y'all please like, comment, and subscribe. Do the whole 9 if you don't mind. And we'll catch y'all good people later. Peace out.
Woo!